To succeed in the world of trading, you need to build your own strategy or adopt a well-known one and improve it in your own way. Improving your trading strategy relies on several mechanisms, including risk management, the risk-to-reward ratio, and the strategy components. Today, we will learn about indicators that are very important for you to know and be aware of. These indicators will help you improve your own strategy in the world of trading. We'll cover 5 indicators as follows. We'll start with the first indicator by accessing the TradingView platform. The TradingView platform is well known and is used by most traders for analysis because it's simple, easy, and provides data for free. Now, let's move to the indicator column and start with the first indicator called VRVP. This volume-based indicator gives you the volume at each price. For example, here we have this orange line that gives me the point of control, which is at the price of 2,313. This is the point where there's a high volume of orders. This indicator helps me in trend situations, so when I expect the market to rise or fall, I always refer to this indicator to see if there's volume impeding the rise. The second indicator is called Money Flow Profile. It's specific to the LuxAlgo platform. Clicking on it automatically adds it to the chart. This indicator is considered one of LuxAlgo's newest indicators. If we zoom in a little bit, as you can see at each price, it gives me the volume or the exchange volume or the volume of buy and sell transactions at each price. It gives me in red. This means the volume of selling that is at that price gives me in green. This refers to the buying volume present at that price. The third indicator is called breakout probabilities. We discussed this indicator in one of the episodes in a strategy based on trading indicators. The beauty of this indicator is that it gives you the possibility of the price rising or falling, and what's even more beautiful is that it provides you with this panel here on your right. This panel shows you the probability of winning and the probability of losing based on these probabilities. The fourth indicator is this one. This indicator is very beautiful. This indicator also gives you, like the LuxAlgo indicator we saw earlier, the volume of trades at each price. As you can see, here in red are the selling trades and here in green are the buying trades. This gives you an overview of the market sentiment, and note that all of these indicators work at different times. The last indicator is the money flow index. Click on the indicators box and type MFI. This indicator is very similar to the RSI, if you remember. For reference, I explained in a whole section the RSI trading strategy based on the divergence of this indicator. As for the money flow indicator, why do I prefer it? It shows you exactly the top the market has reached now, whether it is the end and will it turn to a downside or the opposite. This is clear through the saturations. Saturation is what is above the line of 90 or 80%. As you can see at this point here, the price has reached its highest. I mean, here I was expecting that in this zone, specifically mine, the price would bounce back down. And that's exactly what happened. And the same thing occurs when the price reaches its lowest level. You just determine it through this indicator, so that once you look at it, you find that the price has reached its lowest point, as in this example here, which is exactly, this is the bottom. Therefore, we expect the price to pull back slightly. That, in brief, is today's episode. These are the indicators I wanted to share with you. Wait for us soon in the SK Strategy course.